So I just got the FiiO BTR1 Bluetooth headphone amplifier and deck, and FiiO asked me to do a honest review of this unit. So let's get started. So you may ask yourself, what is this all about? What FiiO offers with the BTR1 is to give Bluetooth connection capabilities to your already existing wired in-ear monitors, headphones and other types of premium headphones which may require some sort of amplification. The housing of the BTR1 is made out of metal except the lower part, where the micro USB charging port can be found. Behind this plastic cover you may also find the Bluetooth antenna, which gives you a plenty range for your wireless playback. During the test we used two types of phones, an old iPhone 6 and an Asus Zenfone 4 Pro. As for monitors, we used standard Apple earphones, the new FiiO EM3S and an Audio-Technica M40X. Sadly we have nothing bigger monitors to test it if it's capable to drive, although all three monitors sound amazing with the BTR1 with almost zero latency. With the control buttons you can easily adjust the volume and also skip songs, where the main power on-off button can apply a more or less 3D effect mode if you press it 2 times quickly. We found it more pleasant if you use it in a smaller monitors like the FiiO EM3S, but we do not recommend to use it with bigger headphones. During the test, the promised 8 hours of playback was a pretty accurate estimation by FiiO. However, it really depends which type of monitors you're planning to drive. Charging is also dependent on what kind of power source you use, but an estimated 2 hours is also accurate. Playback and volume control on the Android system, we had no issue whether we tried it on YouTube or Spotify. However, on iOS, strangely we were not able to start the playback on YouTube. This might be an operating system issue rather than FiiO's fault, but who knows. Volume and other control functions works fine on YouTube. With Spotify on iOS there were no issue as well. So you may ask yourself, is it worth around $50 cost? We think yes, especially if you would like to use your good old jack-connected headphones with your new smartphone, where the manufacturers tend to remove the precious headphone jack. The premium build and amazing sound quality is just a bonus. Some say the wired is always better, which is 100% true, but these days, where wire connection is sometimes not an option, FiiO BTR1 can be a perfect solution. If you like this review, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions just let me know and I try to answer all of them. And if you are not subscribed, please consider it to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.